at Farm Credit, it's very much like a family atmosphere. One of our mottos is that we put our faith first, our family second, and Farm Credit third. And I think that is really important in our culture.
To work at Farm Credit is a breath of fresh air. People are there that respect each other. They're excited to see each other, and they're excited and honored to serve their customers.
What I find most rewarding is the customers and the people I work with. Some of these customers, I don't see them, I've never met them. And when you walk up to their farm or drive up to their farm, they make you feel like family.
My day-to-day job varies pretty significantly. I might come in at 8 a.m. and have a farmer who has 1 acre of tomatoes to sell at the farmer's market, and then by 3 p.m. I have a recent college grad who has requested 8 new broiler houses to start his farming operation.
I've been able to truly get in and learn a lot about agriculture and truly value what agriculture brings to not only the local environment but to the world.
When I came into this job, I had very limited lending knowledge, but I grew up on a farm and I had a strong interest for this industry and I really wanted to succeed. And Farm Credit gave me the training opportunities to be successful in my job.
The most valuable aspect that a candidate can have coming to Farm Credit is a willingness to learn and an adaptability to the constant changes that we have in our company. At Farm Credit, we have a number of career opportunities available. We have a lot of positions surrounding lending, so that might be a loan officer, a loan processor, a loan assistant. We also have credit analysts, and then administrative positions in marketing, human resources, operations, and appraisal.
There's bounds of opportunities, opportunities to grow and expand and move out of your position, wherever your heart's desire. There's opportunities for you here at Farm Credit.